Once upon a time in Granny Maple's kitchen, lived a drawer full of fancy silverware. Every morning, as the toaster popped and the kettle whistled, the utensils woke up with a jingle and a clatter. Spoon, fork, and knife greeted each other, while Spork, small and chubby, wondered about his purpose. The silverware had their weekly utensil talent show. Spoon showed off her pudding scoop, fork twirled pasta, and knife sliced a tomato. Spork tried to do a little of everything but struggled. The others giggled, and Spork felt like the tiniest utensil in the world, wishing to matter. The next morning, chaos stirred in the kitchen. Granny Maple cooked while Baby Ellie flung peas. Granny needed a utensil that wasn't too pokey or sharp. Spork, feeling brave, offered to help. Granny decided to give him a try, seeing his potential to handle the mess. Spork approached the battlefield of scattered peas and pudding. He scooped, poked, and swirled, impressing Baby Ellie, who clapped and hugged him. Granny was amazed, declaring Spork perfect for the job. Spork had found his place, making a difference in the kitchen. That night, spoon, fork, and knife gathered around Spork, admitting they were wrong. They praised him for being the perfect blend and lifted him high like a trophy. Spork earned his spot in the drawer, not because he didn't belong anywhere, but because he belonged everywhere. Narrator: And so, little ones, remember the tale of Spork, the little utensil who didn't fit the mold but made the biggest difference of all. Being different isn't something to hide. It's something to hold high, like a golden spoon with superpowers. The end, or just the beginning of Spork's next adventure. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.